today's top news headlines. Physical classes resume with reopening of schools and colleges in Manipur. Powerful IED found placed at residential gate in Imphal East's Khongmang. And Manipur adds 35 fresh infections of coronavirus, 4 fatalities in past 24 hours. Good evening. Before we move on to the news, a COVID awareness for the general public. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity, beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others, even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guideline about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. This is Pony Television giving you the latest Tuesday English Bulletin. I'm Loving Rimai, now the news in detail. In Manipur, physical classes resumed today with reopening of schools and colleges. The state government announced school reopening for students of class 9 and above on November 11 last. Recently, there were disturbing reports of students in some hostels in Churachandpur district being tested COVID-19 positive. Some hostels and private schools in the Hill district were reopened without the approval from the government. The district authority was instructed to take appropriate action against these schools. Students were seen coming to schools and colleges to join physical classes today. We have more from our reporter.
The government na order maging matung ina SOP tarama thoi yauba order magaloina na school college sing hangduna mahiroi sing na lengak na piriba protocol sing ngaktuna school kagadabani haiba order thokraba matungda asidagi hauduna Manipur gi tongan tongan ba class 9 gi mathakta leiba mahiroi sing school kanarapgi saktam
school hangak possibly yam parego the school gi authority na latraga management na moi gi SOP ji phajanga aga tong biraga di thoina khoi gi di yam kan na chingna ba kano leitre di hoji kano gi hoi covid gi kana to gi kano su yam nem na lei khramina ko kano si education su tok da adamni na hoi di yam na harawe yam nungai na lo
Kulkar ngai matam sida makoina mobile sanaba khonaba sigumba se am pende kai gum sum mobile je sum sanarak padagi chahi amani je like sum tamak tabagi depression lakadra haibagi akiba baw leiba school je hangdorok ne haiba sidagi school gi guideline moina SOP ngakna dagi parent signature lauriba haidi angang singji covid ka mari leinana nabra parent sing nabra adu to mayam hairak pase loina mak mogi kaino si phone da message lakpa je khoina singthoga soi sang toraga piraga angang se SOP ngakna makhoi school na tawni haiba da khoina thajaba thamaga lakpani
tongan pa mahiroi sangsingda hang iba school mahiroi singna ki positivity rate handarak pa gairoi na Manipur gi tongan pa institution singna school hangnarak pa sida mahiroi singna government piriba protocol singa tuna mahi tambagi tangai fadabadi leiri ira masigi matangda cameraman jugamani galoina na paudam jari ba basanta thoksong PONYTV Manipur.
Manipur has been witnessing a series of bomb threats from unidentified people since the past few weeks. The state goes to polls in early part of 2022. On Monday, a powerful improvised explosive device (IED) was found placed at the residential gate of one Aribam Sachikumar of Kongman Zone 1 in Imphal East. According to the report, the IED was spotted around 5:30 a.m. The police were informed about the incident. Afterwards, a bomb disposal squad of Manipur police retrieved the bomb and defused at 10:10 a.m. at Awaching under Kairao. Aribam Sachikumar is said to be the secretary of Manipur Fish and Egg Traders Association. He told media that he had received repeated threat calls from the Kangleipa Communist Party, KCP, People's War Group over a monetary demand. There were no settlement due to Diwali and Ningol Chakoba festivals. He added that fish and egg business in Manipur has been losing due to the pandemic. He appealed to the outfit to refrain from threatening them over monetary demand anymore. Also yesterday, a powerful IED was found near the private residence of Kurai MLA El Susindro at Kurai Sajor Lekai in Imphal East.
Kanogi Togolo, Kanadagi Laga, Kurela, Tolan Pego.
Kana busy, I'm gonna chinba. Live ngaching sibo thadokada, adagi kamantoni, mayam sit to kana tobatan mukoy. Ado dethi de lapusida, aduma warisa matunga. I say, wait, ngayom the disi madiman sinuans to vegan copy. Ngayom by city yam wawni. Any point to say, couldn't hand a guy or a poster if we the payment lady, if we agent, Poitua, I think my father Kika, you don't get for a poster. Tinariba Wamam, the Gilami Kaki, the Marta Mark Kotomama, Simeam, see why you have to leave it up. I do so Haga, a many put over them Haga, Ponce Tamara.
Manipur logged 35 fresh infections of coronavirus in the last 24 hours. With this, the total tally climbed to 1,24,517. The state also reported 4 fatalities in the same hours, taking the death toll to 1,953. According to a release from the State COVID-19 Command Control Room, the positivity rate was recorded at 2.8%. The COVID-19 Command Control Room also said that 8 persons were recuperated in the last 24 hours. A book release function was held at Ningthokhom Bazaar Public Park today. Organized by Manipur Sahitya Parishad Bishnupur District Branch, the function was attended by former MLA Govindas Konthaujam as the chief guest. 2 books titled Manglam Chatki Puyagi Wari Mari by Lashram Ramjina and Dolo Kumba Punchi by Lieutenant Joy Kumar Sarangthem were formally released at the event. Dr. Saratchandra Longjamba, Associate Professor, DM University, Dejamani Iromcha Mangang, General Secretary, Manipur Sahitya Parishad Bishnupur, reviewed the books on the occasion. Govindas Konthaujam, speaking at the event, said the youngsters should try to learn proverbs and read many books. Manipur Sahitya Parishad Bishnupur District Branch President K.H. Ibeton, National Awardee Dr. Rajkumar Gunachandra, and several literature lovers attended the program.
I sometimes go confused. How he managed to write all these small stories. I must appreciate the way. Samugi Macha, Naibi, Peshapami, Hinsaba, Sinachimba, Dari Kayamusu Pomani, High Sinasi, Pomoda, Isona, Togambiva, Aluka Saita, Husi, Mahashi, Toko, Gunamani.
Ketrimayum Nicholson, a national awardee, has expressed displeasure over what he said deliberate power disconnection by Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, MSPDCL. The company has violated rights of consumers, he told reporters at Manipur Press Club in Imphal today. Ketrimayum Nicholson demanded that the government and MSPDCL give proper reasons over the power disconnection, saying that he is a national awardee in the field of electricity. Nicholson said his electrical workshop at Wangkai Mehobam in Imphal East has not been able to function due to power disconnection. He said the workshop provides jobs to many people. However, it has been a year and a half years the workshop has stopped functioning due to sudden cut of electricity. He warned that legal action would be initiated against the government in case it fails to give a positive response over the matter by November 20.
Responsibility of the department not connected with the asigi manungdagi kanaguba miyama thola ga wari sanase hayo thokda tumina lesini praja ikonen la katang legadabugi oiragadi ai tangkundi matungdagi maram saba matik saba sarkar amadi MSPDCL gi mathakta ain oigera oiroira ai tasena problem in the khairi kaiguma sarkar na nang MSPDCL ka tongnabani noina thokka tongo haidana notice ama thopiro I will handle the MSPDCL aduga kaiguma sarkar na nakoi markasi compromise tawna haidana sum sarkar na sinbiro sarkar le na koi kano tawani no thok tawno hai ka khado ai magi ekal tawge mo na chapsaba magi mo da chapsaba maram le jei mo da all MSPDCL sigi special secretary mo na ito puraga MSPDCL gi sigo na tabok to sumadugi.
We'll be back with more updates after a short break. Stay tuned.
Tapta Institute of Fusion Music Taiphumgi Makada Taptagi Sai Khaktada Yumpam Moiba The Voice of Taiphum Hana Mingthonba Singing Talent Hunt 4.0 Lakliba December gi tang kungamari Sokli Singaniga Kungamathoi Irai Numittagi Pangthokpa Hauzaragani Episode 9 Sathagadoriba Fusion Music Competition Asigi Winner amadi first second runner up singda pigadaba khudung sava singdi Free Day Say Semba Record Changba Amadi Tapta Musical Concert Ta Rotation 9 Sarugyahanba Asina Singmani Akupa Marol Gidamak 93621099942 Natraga 60091663130 Da Pau Fobiu Organized by Tapta Ven Music and Tapta Fan Club.
Welcome back after the break. An oath-taking ceremony of newly elected office bearers of All Community Development Organization Moray Akodom was held today at the organization conference hall located at Haino Makong Lekai in Moray. The office bearers were elected for the term 2021-2023. 4 persons of a family, including 2 women at village Manwar in Kashar Panchayat under the Dumaria block in Bihar's Gaya, shot dead by 25 Maoists and hanged their bodies in the cowshed on Saturday evening. They also blew up the family's mud house with dynamite. Locals say the Maoists raided the house of one local Saryu Singh Bhokta around 7 p.m. on Saturday and shot his 2 sons and their wives, calling them police informers. The Maoists stayed there till 9 p.m. and left pamphlets stating that their action was to avenge the March incident when 4 of the cadres had been neutralized by the Cobra Battalion 205 at the same place. They alleged that the cadres were given poison in their meal, but as per the record, they were killed in an encounter. The Maoists blamed the Bokta for the fake encounter and alleged that they acted as police informers. 4 AK-47 rifles had been recovered from their possession. Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Physical classes resume with reopening of schools and colleges in Manipur. powerful IED found placed at residential gate in Imphal East's Khongman. And Manipur adds 35 fresh infections of coronavirus, 4 fatalities in past 24 hours. That is the end of the English Bulletin at 6:30. Thank you for watching.